Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix connecting issues on Beats Studio Buds. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect their Beats Studio Buds to an iPhone, or maybe you're trying to connect it to a MacBook Air, but it's not connecting. How do you actually fix it? Now, the way that I did this was that I ran into this issue myself. So first, what you want to do is that you want to make sure both earbuds are placed within inside the case, and then leave the case open. And then you see this invisible center button right over here. You want to press and hold this for about 15 seconds, and when this LED light flashes red and white. So once it starts to flash red and white, you want to release the button, and then that right there has reset your Beats Studio Buds. So once you reset it, it's going to clear it of any connections that it currently has. It's going to reset it to its factory default settings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I fixed connecting issues on Beats Studio Buds. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually fix this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.